Welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube episode number 73 and episode on batiks. So let's get started. Product number 1 is in Tussar. Tussar batik, zari border tussar. These are hand batiks done by wax. These are the crack is done in the wax. They get cracked and then the color, it's dyed and the color just spreads naturally. So this is the concept of batik, and within these cracks the color also gets inside, and these are done by wax Modhumam batik. These are very exclusive batik done in pure tussar, desi tussar with zari woven border. This color combination is in dark burgundy, brownish color, mainly earthy tones. I've used all earthy tones. This is the pallu, and price is 6350, 6,350 rupees in very good quality tussar. This is the, these are actually very classy. I have not used very loud bright colors, but this will be the temple in the pleats. I've just kept it very subtle, simple, but at the same time very classy. This is the blouse piece, the coffee color blouse piece. This is the sari. Extremely elegant, mainly in crack batik in pure desi tussar with zari woven border and pallu. Product number 1. I'll show you more colors in this concept. Product number 2. This is also a very uncommon color. The pallu part. It's an dark onion pink color. Not maroon. It's actually deep onion skin color. Pleats will be like this, geometric batik, and this is the sari, and this is the blouse piece. Lovely shade of dark onion pink color. Price again 6350, 6,350 rupees. Product number 3. Similar tone color, but the pallu will be different. The combination, just check out the combination. Episode 73, pure tussar batik. If you like the products, all you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me to the number 7603042696. WhatsApp me the number provided, and once I confirm you the availability of the product and the payment is done, we'll courier it to you. First come, first serve basis. This is the product. This is the blouse piece. Coffee color. Lovely shades. Now comes some pastel tones. Powder blue, geometric, pallu, very sober, soothing. This is also 6350. Soothing combinations I've used in pink, sea green, lemon and powder blue. Of course, there's a zari woven border in the tussar, and this is the sari. See, all temple, and this is the blouse piece, powder blue blouse piece. Soft, and you can wear these with silver also, and of course gold, because it has a light gold zari border. Any jewelry will go with this, even pearls, diamonds, any kind of jewelry will go. Also stone, multicolored stone jewelries will also look nice in this. Just see the mustard color. Very rich, very uncommon. I mean, actually these designs are little uncommon, not the regular floral ones. This is totally done in geometric design. 6350, product number 5. Just see the zari weave in the pallu also. This is the zari woven pallu. Mustard, temple, just see the daman part, and of course the blouse piece will be mustard with the border, zari woven border. Very elegant, you know, even if you go in for any day wear, formal occasion or in the evening, this really stand out. 6350. Similar one, product number 6. This is another color, sea green, geometric pallu. First come, first serve basis. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you. We ship worldwide. In Kolkata, cash on delivery possible. Outside Kolkata, via courier. And internationally, the shipment charges depend on the weight. Even for outstation, the charges will be the courier charges will depend on the weight and destination. This is the sari. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. One is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Now this is a lovely tussar with crack batik tussar with katha. Very narrow border, sleek narrow border. Just see the border. Fully handwork done. This is the back side. Katha work, handwork, pallu, batik with katha. These are all katha filling. Price 8,800 rupees. Just see the colors used in the batik in pure tussar. No zari. Now here comes the pleats. The pleat will also have this katha, Guriran katha. This is the pleat part. It's done in katha, batik with katha. All crack design, very sleek and smart design. This is the blouse piece. Rust color blouse piece, mustard and rust combination. See the pallu. Very smart look, and since it has very narrow sleek border, it is giving a new dimension. And the colors, just check out the colors also. Product number 8, brown color. Always these look very rich, and brown with sea green. Just see the color combination of the pallu. Soft, very good quality tussar. Very soft tussar. Just see the border, thread work. Sleek, narrow, embroidered border in katha. Again, the pleats will also be in katha. This is the pleat. Due to lockdown in certain states, the shipment will be delayed a bit depending on the rules of the lockdown in each state. but otherwise we are doing courier as of now, so no problem, you can take via courier. Maybe if it would have gone within 4 days, now it will take another day or two. So 1 or 2 days, maybe it will take more time, otherwise we are ready to do the shipment. Just see the pleats, how smart it is looking. This is the pallu. Another color. So I'll show you few colors. All are new ones. Single piece, because these are katha work, not possible to make repetitions of the same sari. There will be a difference in maybe the border or the color, but all single piece. So whichever you like, you can please book the products, and once it's available, you can then make the transfer. 8,800 rupees, 8800. See the color, it's a very sleek border in sea green with katha work in crack batik, tussar, and it's a very smart design actually, because these are not too much of, see the pleat, fully katha work in done, multicolored shades, stripe, temple. This is the blouse piece. Now comes another tussar zari border, crack batik with embroidery, 8,500 rupees, 8500 broad zari border. Here, crack batik. This is painting with embroidery in, the outline is in black, is all done in thread work, zari woven border and pallu. This is the pallu part, just see the weave, and this is the sari. A very smart looking one, just see the floral painting done. This is in batik, this is in painting, this is not in batik, this part is done in paint. One side the thread work will go along with the painting, and the rest is done in crack batik. It will have a contrast mustard blouse piece, just see the sari. Pure tussar, a very smart looking design with blouse piece. Product number 11, a similar one, but the design will differ. The previous one was in floral and this one is in kalamkari. See the thread work, painting with thread work. Batik with thread work. It will go in stripes with temple embroidery. I've already shown the pallu, I'll show it once again. So I'm showing you all the products in details. So you can just have a look and then take the screenshot and then send it to me. So no further pictures will be sent. You can just take the screenshot. 8,500 rupees. This is the sari. For still pictures, you can do one thing. You just check out the Facebook page. We will be uploading the still pictures of each product in Facebook page also. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is already going. There's also the Insta page, that link is also been provided. This is the blouse piece, mustard. This is the sari. This is the pallu. সব কটা তসরের ওপর খুব সফট ভালো কোয়ালিটি তসর। আচ্ছা আমারটা একবার বলে নি, আমারটা হচ্ছে দেশি তসর, পিওর দেশি টাসার। It's a woven tussar, just see the border. It's a lovely woven desi tussar. This is the pallu, this also has the zari weave, and this part is a ghicha material. This is plain tussar and this is ghicha tussar. So it's a weaving, the sari itself is very beautifully woven. On top of that, what I've done is Kashmiri embroidery, Ari Kashmiri embroidery throughout the border and pallu. Just see the border, one side and the upper part, it's fully done in Ari Kashmiri work. This is the whole sari. Just see the tassels. I've used multicolored tassels because it's an earth color, and these red and green tassels is giving a bit of brightness to the sari because this is a lovely dark mustard color. This is a very uncommon shade, earthy tone, and this sari has this blouse piece. I'm giving you this blouse piece along with the sari, 10,950 rupees. It's a lovely woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this. Mainly the work, just see the embroidery. This is the back part. Lovely and so neat. The work is really very neat, and this concept of fusion batik tussar with embroidery, that also Ari Kashmiri, it's little uncommon. And the jewelry that I am wearing, this is 2200 pair rice pearl, 2200 pair of bangles, and this is 2950, the neck piece along with the jhumka, 2990 rupees, 2990, the pair of jhumka along with the neck piece. Just check out the neck piece, the finish of the work, 2990 the set. Now I'll show you another design in this. This is 12,900 rupees. The difference of price is because of the difference in embroidery. The fabric is the same, the sari is the same, but the work is because of the work, the price is there's a difference in the price. See the work. $12,900, product number 12, the pallu part, sari, extremely rich and so comfortable this fabric is. Pure tussar, woven zari border, ghicha woven also there in the pallu part, and brocade stripe blouse piece in, see, this will be the pleats. The half body part will be in batik, the pleats will be in solid color with daman batik. It's a very smart sari, very uncommon. The blouse piece is also like this. So this is another color, another design and color. The one that I am wearing, I'll show you few more colors in this, 10,950. This is an Ari Kashmiri. See this color. All I've done earthy colors in this. I've not used regular colors like red, green, yellow, but these are all mud colors, earthy colors, but still it is looking so rich because of the thread work and the whole concept. See the tassels, all handmade tassels, ghicha woven pallu. See the buta in the pallu, 10,950 rupees. The whole sari will be in cracks, and then the work is done. So there's a lot of this is a long process that has been used in creating each product. Please visit the branches. We are open on from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays we are closed. The other days 10 to 8 we are open for you. Please visit for more options, but to get this particular product you have to pre-book. This is the sari. another color, product number 14. If you are liking the product, please leave comments. It will be, I read all the comments, even the good and the negative ones, to all my viewers, to my staffs. They all are, it boosts them if it's positive, of course. There are 1 or 2 negative comments because of 1 or 2 delay in the shipping, probably because few products I'm not getting from outside, the ones that comes from other states because of the lockdown. But don't worry, you will get each and every product. It will be delivered to you. 10,950 rupees. This is the, and there was the elections in Kolkata, so there was little bit of delay in the shipping. So that's it. Now I don't think there will be a problem. So this is the sari. After payment, within 2 to 3 working days, the products are shipped, because we iron it, polish it, pack it, and maximum it is done within 1 or 2 days, but I'm just telling you within 2 to 3 days, but usually it's shipped within 2 days maximum. This is the blouse piece, snuff color. Any age can wear this, and you can wear this for years, day and in the evening also. Day wear, evening wear, very rich, full crack in tussar, and this weaving sari itself is a very nice sari, lovely texture. And just see the work once again. I'll show you the work, the tassels and the work. 10,950 rupees. So these are the colors. So you'll get my color also. This is also available. Now I'll come to the silk batiks. You have given me awesome the response in silk batiks, which had shown you in my few episodes before. Now this is Sonamukhi Bishnupuri silk Modhumom batik, pure silk Bishnupuri. It's a Bishnupuri silk is made in Bengal. Pure Bishnupuri Sonamukhi silk, very good quality 3D silk with hand batik in Modhumom, done by very skilled artisans. 4,500 rupees, 4500. There was a previous episode, you can check out that batik episode also. This batik saris, we will take orders if these are sold out, but you have to give me time of 45 days to 60 days to create these products. To recreate these products, you have to give me some advance. The balance you can pay it after it is complete. But then you have to give me time. This is the sari, half and half concept with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sonamukhi Bishnupuri silk, pure. See the work, see the weave, the quality of the sari. Product number 15, 4500. These are the new designs that has been created. Now this is a lovely piece. The style that this will go is really very uncommon. See, it will come from your yoke part. It has no border. You know why? Because the paisley that have been done has been created in such a way that it will come from the pallu part. It will just go like this and then come from your yoke part and then again go in the bottom to the pleats part. It's a very, very uncommon smart concept sari, done open-handedly, I mean freehand by the karigars. All freehand batik painting. Yellow blouse piece in crack batik. Yellow blouse piece. It's a vibrant color of lovely orange, multicolored paisley. This is the pallu. Please note one thing, that these are handmade, and so see there will be one or two, see like this here. These are the wax that has fallen. So these are natural thing. These are not defect. Please note this. These are not defect. 4,500. Shonamukhi Bishnupuri Silk Modhumom Batik. This is product number 17. All my silk batiks are 4,500 rupees. It's a dark turquoise blue and black combination in Alpona design. See the color combination. Very traditional hand batik in Alpona design concept. This is the pallu. This is the border. The pleats will be in black. This is the pleat. It's a partly pallu style. Only the pleats will be again batik black. The rest again comes the powder blue part. Sorry, not powder blue, it's turquoise blue. And then the black blouse piece. Very smart looking sari. ₹4,500. 4500. This is mainly done in brushing. This is also a very uncommon concept sari. See, this part is like this. The pallu will be fully in just dye, deep to light, brushing. Half sari comes in floral in leaf design. The pleats will be in milk white. The pleats in milk white. So it's a half and half sari with royal blue blouse piece. It has a solid color royal blue blouse piece. This doesn't have any cracks. This is just solid color. It's more of acid painting. So this is the style. It's a very smart looking 4,500 rupees with dyed pallu. 4500 in deep sky blue. Same design, another combination in orange and rani. 4,500 rupees. Pure silk Modhumom. Pure silk Bishnupuri sari, full all over in leaf design. Brushing pallu. There are two tones. See, a darker shade of orange and rani combination, magenta combination in the pallu. Now comes the pleat. The pleat will be in solid white color with only costa border in the bottom. Rani color with rani contrast blouse piece. Very smart looking sari. All 4,500 rupees silk. Now I'll show you some silk batik katha. Bangalore silk, pure Bangalore silk with crack batik and hand katha. This is handwork embroidery in katha. Price 8,500 rupees, 8,500 in a pale onion pink color with coffee kind of a black shade blouse piece. The temple part will go throughout the sari with work, hand work, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece border. Very smart looking sari, and you know we all love batik katha. Now this is product number, this is yellow and red combination. Yellow and red. Again Bangalore silk Modhumom batik with, this is all crack batik with handwork katha embroidery. Product number 218500. This is the work in the pallu. This is the temple embroidery. See the work with red blouse piece. And the last one, black and red, 22. All the details are already given in the description provided. See, there's the description part, and just press the bell icon to get regular notifications. See how neat the work is. It's a lovely red and black combination. No other color. Just two color crack batik. Just see how pretty this is. 8,500. Bangalore silk. Pallu. Very neat work. And especially this, see the embroidery. And here goes the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece border. Thank you so much. Keep watching the videos and keep liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you everybody and সুস্থ থাকবেন, ভালো থাকবেন।